Hello, everyone, and welcome. I am Brittany Johnson with Be Design. I'm an interior designer, course creator, podcast host, artist, homeowner, and many more unofficial titles. But I have been working in the interior design and home building industry for over 13 years. I know a lot about building dream homes, and I help people do it every day. I like to be efficient, fun, and informative, so let's just jump right in and talk about the home building process, what you think it looks like, and what it actually looks like. So I'm going to paint you a picture, the picture you are probably expecting when building your first home. It probably goes something like this. So you have a floor plan, and it's perfect, with room for everyone and everything. It fits on your site like just so, and you get that perfect golden light, the gorgeous sunset view, everything. You breeze right through material selections. It's just so much fun sorting through the options. You look across the showroom floor and like a golden light just shines down on the perfect material. Pick me, I'm the one. So you can just be like, yes, I'm taking you home. Thank you. You know, your contractor, just the best person in the world. Your house practically builds itself impeccably. Craftsmanship all around. Things go ahead of schedule. Everything just kind of like falls into place. You move in, cozy it up a little bit, host the holidays. Everyone comes over and just oohs and ahs over your new home, loving every aspect of it as much as you do. Life is good. And let's take it even a step further. Maybe you document the process and the world loves it so much. You become a design sensation like overnight, instantly becoming a trendsetter, and you just live happily ever after, traveling the globe in style, living your best life. Or some other version of this awesome fairy tale, because we've all dreamed it. I love the idea. It is beautiful, and even I get swept up in the romance of starting a new project. And I hate to be this person. Like, I really do. I feel bad doing this, but I'm going to pop your bubble. I have been through a lot of projects, and I know that it doesn't work this way. I know that, but yet even I still get caught up and think maybe it will this time. So I am here to set the story straight. This romantic notion that building a house is just all sunshine and roses is getting a lot of people into a lot of trouble. And if you are feeling a little shell-shocked by everything I am saying, like I just knocked your ice cream cone out of your hand, then this is your sign to wake up. This is your moment to pump the brakes for a second and make sure that you know what you are getting yourself into, because it is not going to be like that. I see people entering into this process so unprepared, so happy and optimistic, and I want to tell you this right now. Building a home is not a trip to Disneyland. It is much more like being a pioneer on the Wild West, and you need to have some survival skills to make it out here. You need to show up prepared. And this is a huge shock for most people. It becomes a major roadblock. You watch the shows, those transformational before and afters, which are great. They're beautiful, but they are giving you no idea about what actually happens in the middle. It is all fun and games until construction actually starts. And then you realize that building a home is fun, like having kids is fun. You know, for me, it's definitely worth it in the long run. Like, I love my kids, but there's a lot of not fun in there that people do not always talk about. And somehow, like magic, we all kind of forget about a lot of that stress looking back. But when you are in the thick of it, there are times where I honestly wondered, like, how do people do this? I don't think I am going to survive. What was I thinking? And am I ever going to live my life again? I have repeated those same thoughts in my house, when I'm with my kids, and on the construction site more than once. And I have heard clients ask the very same questions. And you will too. Designing and building a home is hard. Things will go wrong, and it will take longer than you think. And so just when you think that your life couldn't get any busier, or you couldn't add another thing to your plate, I am telling you, this is worth your attention. Fully step into your project. Own the type of home that you want to build and the life that you want to live. This will be a stressful time in your life, so make it worth it. You are going to spend the money one way or the other, so why not love it? Set yourself up for success and build your dream home with confidence, because you can absolutely do this. This is your space, your dream, and your life. Your home should be undeniably you, and only you can create it. Only you have the vision, and I am here to show you how to turn that vision into a reality. If you're still here and I didn't scare you away, and you have more questions or want to learn more about the home building process, check out my website, www.b-design.us. Get the project checklist, listen to the podcast, check out the course. I am here to help you feel prepared and supported on this home building journey. I want more people building their dream homes and getting exactly what they want. You can have it too.